Hi guys, so let's get to cleaning. I hope you guys enjoy this video and it gives you some inspiration as to clean and also get some tips and tricks from me. And I'll also be talking about my postpartum depression later on in this video. So all I'm about to do now is empty the dish rack and wash some dishes, and I'm going to tell you guys a tip about washing burnt pot in a minute. So this pot is burned, so I'm just gonna put some water in it, a whole lot of water, and I'm gonna put some Dawn dish soap. Whatever dish soap you have will work just fine. Then I'm gonna put it on the stove top and let it boil for like 5 to 10 minutes, and I'm gonna put the stove on medium to high. When you finish, you just throw out the water and throw out everything in the sink, and the pot is gonna be way easier to wash out. And this goes for any burnt pot. Just put some water in it, put some Dawn soap, and put it on the stove to boil, and literally in no time that pot will be clean as ever. So this is the mop that I talked about in my Amazon favorites haul. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you to everybody that actually bought it. By the time I posted my video and looked at it a few hours later, this mop was sold out. Okay, so thank you guys to everybody that purchased it. If it comes back in stock, I'll definitely link it. Majority of what I show to you guys I always use, so don't ever think that I'm just selling you guys stuff. This is something I use and I love, and ask my husband. There's always a ton of Amazon boxes at my house. I don't know if it's an addiction, I don't know what it is, but Amazon be getting all my coins. But this mop is definitely worth it, and it's inexpensive. I think I bought it for $26, and it has a chamber that you can put water in, or your cleaner for your floor. It just makes your life a lot easier, especially if you have wooden floor or tile floor, and wooden floor and tile floor seems to collect dirt. Okay, so you need something to wipe it. So Kai's room is always a mess, and as far as his toys go, he always have them thrown on the floor. I've been trying to teach him how to put them back and all of that, and he's been doing a good job. But for his toys, I like to organize them. He has trucks, he has musical stuff, he has his flashcards, and then I have miscellaneous items. And I put them all in those little boxes that you're about to see on the floor, and that's how I organize his toys. So I like to keep some of my business private, but I feel like this is very, very much important to talk about. When I was 6 months post pregnancy with Milani, I was actually diagnosed with postpartum depression, and mine wasn't drastic or anything. Mine was very mild, and mine came from me trying to get myself and get my body to breastfeed to a year. If you guys remember, when I had Milani, we went vegan for a very long time. I think it was 8 to 9 months, and my breast milk severely reduced, and it actually caused me a lot of stress because I breastfeeded Kai between 8 to 9 months, and I really wanted Milani to be breastfed till 1 years old, and I was stressing myself out. And at the 6 month mark, I went to go get a checkup from my OBGYN, and she diagnosed me with mild postpartum depression. And not only was the breastfeeding thing very hard for me, I felt like I was very hard on myself personally because I was feeling like I wasn't doing enough, and I was comparing myself to other people, and people were saying that I was not doing enough also. I was doing YouTube. I made sure I upload at least 2 videos every week. I always upload my Fridays and Sunday videos, and sometimes I would upload commentary videos, but I would make sure I have 2 videos up every single week for content, and I felt like that wasn't enough. And also, I was going to school full time, and if you guys know anything about taking care of a newborn baby, they wake up constantly, especially in the first 6 months. They wake up all the time during the night, and I was going to school plus making content and plus doing all of that. So I was actually really stressing myself out and stressing my body out and comparing myself to other people. And quite frankly, it was pretty hard. I'm not even going to front to you. It was a very hard time in my life. I can really say my daughter and my son was the only thing that kept me going. And then after that, my grandfather died and my cousin died, and it was just a lot. It was a lot for me. Now Milani is 10 months old, and I am good. I actually had to stop breastfeeding her at 6 months, and that really helped with my stress. A lot of women actually really do not talk about postpartum depression and everything that we go through as women, but I'm here to tell you that it happens to the best of us, okay? So I won't ever let anybody tell me that I'm not doing enough, or I won't ever let anybody compare to me to anyone, or me compare myself to anyone, because nobody can do what I do, and nobody can live in my shoes, not even for a day. So I find it funny that I was putting myself under so much pressure. But that is my little story for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Deuces. Oh, and please tag my husband and ask him why there is not any curtains put up in the house, and we've lived here for 3 months. For me, please, and thank you. Okay? I hope this gives you guys some inspiration. I hope it gives you some motivation to clean your house. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.